demands were never real demands on the ground. They were all created and managed politically. That was to create power centers and to create more posts of power for some people who benefited, who could possibly benefit from them. Now, if you look at today, if you look at the the kind of military might we have demonstrated, I would answer your question. I just want to make three quick points. One point is the people who are watching us are adversary, China, Pakistan. We have developed, we have shown them what is our resistance, what is our resilience, and what is our redundance. You can see a Mirage landing, and within 20 minutes it takes off from the same place when it got service, when all the necessary checks were done. So mobile command and control, mobile, these the engineering units, mobile landing, and takeoff from an expressway. This is a very, very strong military signal which we are sending, and coupled it with the defense corridors we are building in that region, we have sent a very, very strong message that Indian Air Force is now a real mobile runway-free Air Force. This is a message which will go to China and Pakistan. And when these kind of things happen, when we see this kind of development happen, when we see 22,000 crores, $3 billion being spent on that road, the employment went to the locals, the land procurement happened from the locals, the economic benefits will go to the locals. Where is this agenda of division and all? It doesn't come in. People want development. They don't want to be divided in caste, religion, and this vote bank and that vote bank. And when it comes to Prime Minister Modi, he has given the numbers. Yogi Adityanath has given the numbers. What is the quantum of development which was given fact and figure-wise? The problem with the opposition is they cannot counter facts and figures. They will bring in rhetoric. They will bring in those Alice in Wonderland arguments. They will bring in again, you are from this region, I am from this region, your caste is this, my caste is this. Today, it is what we see is what is the military might and capability of India. And ma'am, don't forget, it was done in 3 years. If we could do this in 3 years, if this is the power of double engine sarkar, if these double engine sarkars keep on happening, if this impossible can be done. I remember what Prime Minister Modi said. Modi ji ne kaha, I never thought when I did the Shilanyas of this road, after 3 years, I'll be landing in the biggest, mightiest Hercules C-130. This is the biggest military aircraft to land on an express highway. Only 4 countries have demonstrated this capability so far. This is also an important message. These are the messages we need to give. And this we have done in 3 years, and this we have done in peak of COVID. What more can be the pro-development agenda? What more can show the commitment? There was always an option of shelving this project and doing the political game bazi, but that was not done. This development was delivered to their doorstep. I swear to God, if you call the opposition spokesperson, they will always have this Modi ji kahan ke hai, Yogi ji kahan ke hai, unki jati kahan ki hai, stage pe kaun bata. You will see all this mockery happening. It's the kind of arguments they give. It's like the BJP vaccine. When Akhilesh Yadav was asked about the vaccine, he said, "ये तो BJP की vaccine है, मैं तो लगाऊंगा नहीं." Now I want to ask Akhilesh ji, sir, आपने तो vaccine लगा दी, सब अपने परिवार में सबको लगा दी. I mean, we have to get beyond this BJP and all vaccine. This is a development. This is the delivery of development. And I want people to compete on development. 6 express highways, 9 airports, all numbers. AIMS, medical colleges, ease of doing business in FDI, number 2. Number 2 in GDP is UP. Now, if you have a better agenda, Mr. Yadav, and the opposition, please bring in that to the table. Do not bring in rhetoric. Do not send your people on TV to just, outshout the logic. That is what they've been doing. This is the moment for which whole India, 1.3 billion Indians need to be proud of. This is what Indian Air Force has delivered, and this is what ensures your and my safety. It doesn't matter when a Pakistani bomb comes, what is your and my religion, what is your and my caste. We are all their victims. We have demonstrated an ace capability. This day will go into the history, ma'am.
Okay, absolutely. Raman Malik, it's interesting to see where all this particular highway actually goes through.